welcome back to my channel. So today I have an old school traditional unboxing to share with you, and this is from the Box of Style subscription, the Zoe Report. They call it the Box of Style, the Zoe Report subscription. I think that's the full name of it. But this is basically a quarterly subscription box. So unlike like BoxyCharm and stuff where you get the monthly, this one you just get once a quarter, similar to like how FabFitFun does it. This box retails for $99 every 4 months. So that is the total cost, but they say that there is a value of over, I think they say like $300 to $400 per box. So you're supposed to get a lot more than what you're actually investing in this box. Box of Style was kind enough to actually send this to me for free for review purposes. So I did not pay for this box, but you guys know me, I will be 100% honest whether or not I feel like this is worth the cost. So let's jump on in. This is the Winter 2017 box, and it does come in this reusable cardboard box. It has a magnetic opening on here, but it's not super, like, I don't know, it is a little bit flimsy, but it's sturdy at the same time. It's like medium sturdy. Does that make sense? It's not like super thick, but yeah. Anyway, let's look at what's inside. Whoops, they do have the tissue wrapping it. I have not peeked at all. I have no idea what's in here. Let's just jump in. This is my first time getting this box, so I really have no idea what to expect. I have heard that it's a combination of like fashion and lifestyle type of products, so let's see. Everything is individually wrapped in tissue, which is fun because it's like Christmas morning. By the way, it is Christmas Eve that I'm filming this, so this is like my little Christmas present. Let's see what's in this first little package here. Looks like some sort of jewelry. So it says House of Harlow 1960, and it is a little velvet pouch. Ooh, those are some earrings. Holy smokes. I don't know why, but for some reason these earrings just feel like New Year's Eve to me. Even though I never go out on New Year's Eve. Do you guys go out on New Year's Eve? I just stay home every year. I always have, even when I was like a single person. I never liked going out on New Year's. I don't know why. But that's what they look like. They're actually really, really stunning. They have, they're gold with like a faux rhinestone on this little triangular part right there. Those look gorgeous. They are a little heavy, so I always worry about really heavy dangly earrings for some reason. I don't want to like stretch out my, you know, hole. But they do have a little packet here. I think it says retail prices in here, so let's take a look. Yes, does it? Yeah. Okay, so wow, you guys. It says the retail value on these earrings is $115. So already it paid for the box just with the earrings. I think they're gorgeous, and they do seem like a very high quality earring, but I don't know if I would ever pay $115 for a pair of earrings because I'm kind of cheap like that, but they are really stunning. So definitely excited about those. All right, let's see what else is in this box. I don't want to spoil it by looking at that card too early. I'm gonna go with this one. This one feels a lot bigger and a lot heavier, so let's see what's in here. All right, it's just a mysterious white box. Let's take off this wrapping. Wow. This is a really beautiful box right here. So it has like this kind of marble, but it's also like opalescent at the same time box, and then it has gold for the, how do you open this? Oh, it's a clutch. Oh my goodness, I thought this was a little jewelry box. Maybe you could use it as a jewelry box, but it says that it's a box clutch. $115 value. It says the day to night, so it has a chain inside that you can attach. I just don't know how to open it though. There's gotta be a way. What the? I got it. Okay, mine was just stuck. Oh my gosh, mine was like so stuck I could not open it. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just kind of hollow, but it has a really nice like black fabric right here to give it the accordion style opening. And then there is a chain that is attachable that was inside. Let's attach the chain because this is very weird, you guys. I've never seen a box clutch before. Like, it literally looks like a jewelry box. So I don't know, I think I would feel weird. I think I would feel weird about carrying this around. Okay, Feels very chic and fancy to me though. But I don't know if I'm so chic and fancy. I would like to be chic and fancy. Okay, so that is what the chain looks like. It's actually a very, very well made chain. So you wouldn't have to worry about it being too flimsy for such a heavy box. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's actually super cute. I just don't know where I would wear it to, but wow. Okay, so $115 value again. So both of the first two products in this box are $115 value, and the box is only $99. Okay, I have to do this because I can see through this, and I'm super excited. I actually needed to pick up an agenda for this year, or like a planner for this year, and I hadn't. Here. All right, so it does have the wrapping, so let me pull that out first because that's gonna be loud. Yeah, this is a 2018 planner. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I actually really did need one, and I've been looking for one. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. So it's actually really basic planner, which I like. I feel like that's a little bit more my style, really like plain and basic. It's from Sugar Paper is the brand. It's a weekly and monthly 12-month agenda. And it gives you like the monthly view, but it also has weekly views after that. So yes, I will definitely be getting some use out of this. And inside of the binder, it has like this gold polka dot design. So I think that's really cute, and I will definitely be using this. I needed one, so very excited. Let's see what the retail value on this was. $48 was the retail value on this. Now I feel like that might be a little high. While it does feel very well made, I typically try, well, no, I think $48. I don't know. The ones I was looking at were from like TJ Maxx, so those ones were closer to like 30. So maybe that's probably about right. All right, this feels like clothing. Let's see what's in this next little packet here. What is this? Wow. Okay, everything feels like New Year's Eve to me, like a fancy New Year's Eve night. This is like a faux fur scarf, or what do you call this? I need to see what it's called because I don't know. Faux fur stole. It's a stole. And the retail value is $85 for this. Holy smokes. But yeah, if you're staying out on New Year's Eve, going out partying, and you need something to keep you warm, like I'm thinking, you know, in New York City, if you're standing outside in the cold all night, this would be perfect. But like I said, I do stay home for New Year's, but I think it feels really nice. It looks really beautiful. $85. Yeah, I don't know. I've never bought a stole before, so I really don't know. Everything in here is very fancy. All right, there are two little wrap packets left, so let's go ahead and open these up. Oh, awesome. Oh, cool. I don't have this. I'm very excited. Something I know, and that is makeup. So this is from Tarte. This is the Sex Kitten liquid liner. I don't have this liquid liner. I have like tried it in store and stuff, but like on my hand, but I've never actually owned it. So I'm really excited to give that a try. And I want to say the retail value is $20. Yeah, $20 for this liner. So yay. Okay, and then let's see what we got for the very last item in here. Ooh, okay, this is what smelled like lavender. So this is from the brand OC, and this is the Essential Hydrating Oil. I have heard of this brand, but I don't believe I've tried anything from them before. I want to say they're all natural. Let's take a look. Let's see what they have to say about this. It's an essential hydrating oil, retail value of $68. When it comes to skincare, hydration is everything. Apply as your first step in the morning or your last step before bed. Also perfect to keep in your handbag for an on-the-go refresher. Why we love it. Good for the body and soul. The age-defying oil is both vegan and cruelty-free. For a lasting boost of hydration, apply to face after cleansing. So yeah, it is cruelty-free and vegan. It doesn't say if it's all natural though. So really excited to try that as well. I love facial sprays, and yeah. So that was everything in the box. I went through it kind of quickly because I was excited, but I think that was definitely worth $100, you guys. Don't you think so? Like, even if you don't take into account the values that they're giving you, this I would definitely pay $20 for a liquid liner. The earrings I might pay more like $20 for. The facial spray, probably about $20 to $30. And then this planner I would definitely pay probably $30 to $40 on. And then the last two things was the stole and the clutch. And although I think they are beautiful, they're definitely not my style. I feel like they're a little bit too formal for me. I'm more of a kind of casual kind of girl. But for a night out when you're really wanting to dress up, I don't know, maybe when I go to Vegas with my husband or something fun, yeah, it's definitely, I think they're cute. And I think overall for everything that you get in this box, it's definitely worth the cost. Now I do have a coupon code for you guys, which I will link down below. I can't remember how much it's for. I want to say it's $20 off. I'll tell you right here on the screen what exactly it is. And then I will of course have that down below for you guys if you want to check out this subscription as well. I think it's a fun subscription. I'm really into getting these types of subscriptions because I feel like it's a present for yourself, especially these quarterly ones, because then you're not committed to getting it every single month. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. I feel like this is a box that I don't hear a lot of people talking about, so I thought it'd be fun to try it out and share it with you guys. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.